Hi, and thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to install Tmux, which is a terminal multiplexer. And what that allows you to do is to run multiple terminal windows in a single instance. So to show you what I mean, we'll just first install the program by typing sudo apt-get install tmux. And then we will run the command tmux. The first thing you notice is on the bottom of my terminal window, I have this green bar, which indicates that we are within a tmux session. So one of the many cool features of tmux is you have the ability to do a split window. But in order to run these tmux specific commands, you have to insert the prefix key. And in this case, the prefix key is Control B followed by whatever command we're trying to run. So Control B, quotation, the quotation is a shortcut for doing a horizontal split like we see here. And then Control B, percent, is a vertical split, as you can see there. And the way you move between windows is your prefix key, so Control B, and then your arrow keys. So if I want to go left, Control B, left arrow, Control B, up arrow, Control B, down. And to demonstrate why this is useful, let's first go into our downloads directory. So I have a few files in here, and if I run the watch command, watch -n1, let's have an interval of 1. So what this command is doing is whatever is encapsulated in these quotations will run every 1 second. So to demonstrate, we'll hit enter. Now I'm going to go to Control B with my prefix key and right arrow to get to the next window here, and I will change into this directory. And say I wanted to remove a file, I'll just do rm file1, rm file2, touch file1, and I can see all of these changes happening in real time, which is important to me. So this is the basic of Tmux. I plan on doing some fun customization, so if you watch this video and you like Tmux, be sure to follow because we are going to do some really interesting and fun things to make our Linux terminal more exciting. So thanks for watching.